evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you for joining my class this evening. I really appreciate you. So it's been a while that I posted on this YouTube channel, and I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back stronger with a stronger vision to never leave you again and to always keep posting valuable content that will help you, achieve your trading goals. All right, so today we have a very pretty analysis before us. Okay, so I'm looking at the AUD USD weekly time frame today. Okay, and then I think I've already marked let me just remove all the things I have marked before and then start marking afresh again. So I'm looking at this trade from the weekly time frame. Okay, from the weekly time frame, and then I'm going to scale down until I get to the 4-hour time frame, and I will show you how I want to take this trade. So if you are not already a member of our community, I have already dropped a very detailed analysis in the community, like an analysis commentary. So you can do well to click on the link below to join the community, and please also subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to start some 21 days education challenge on this channel soon. So I hope to see you on the inside. So join the community. We're on WhatsApp. We're 100 plus on WhatsApp, and then subscribe to this channel so you can get more information. So let's go on. So what can you see so far? Let me just take a screenshot and then explain from here. Okay, so far what do we see? We see that the market is just pushing up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so it's making a series of higher highs. And then where is the most important target that the market is going? There is a level of supply here. Okay, this level of supply took out this level of supply, right? And then this is the level of supply. So this market is going, is going like a spiral, more like a compression, okay, into this level. I think that is all we just need to know from this particular time frame, and then for the price to go down. All right, okay, that is depending on when the US dollar will be strong. So currently I did some very detailed analysis with my team yesterday concerning the dollar index, that the dollar index is currently sitting on the 98.17 support level. So if the support level breaks down, the next level we are going to see the dollar index will be at the level of 94, 96, 94, and then 89 thereabouts. So we're expecting that this AUD USD will push up to the upside, and then to get into the supply level before we can see a further push to the downside. All right, so with that being said, I can just mark this level like this. I can just take my tool and mark this level like this. So this is the level we are watching. Okay, this is the level we are watching price to get into. All right, so if I zoom up this thing, you will see that there is a demand here. There's a demand level here. There's a strong demand level here. This level is a strong demand level. Okay, this is the last demand that is holding price on the weekly time frame. So quickly, let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. So we are not going to adjust it. Okay, we are in the daily time frame right now. All right, so what do you see? What do you see on this time frame? So if you like, you can adjust it. If you like, you can adjust it. You can just adjust it to all these candles here. So all these candles here are what? They are all demand. This is where price paused. Okay, all this area where all this area like this, all this area is where price has paused before continuing this movement to the further to the upside. So price has returned back to that pool of fund. This is where liquidity reside. Okay, so price is there now on the daily time frame, and then we are seeing a very strong rejection candle that is telling us that this demand here is very strong. All right, that is that for that. So Are we going to jump and start rushing this trade, jumping into this trade? No, that is not how professional traders think. This is the way we used to trade before. When we see, you just FOMO into the position and then just jump in, and when you jump in, the price start pulling back. So the target is here. I think this should be around this should be up to 200 pips. Okay, should be up to 240 pips, into that zone. So why the rush? So let's go to the 4 hour and look at how we can take this trade on the 4 hour. So currently momentum to the downside is over. Okay, momentum to the downside is over. Yeah, I can see it with my eyes. There are certain factors I just looked at and the momentum has ended. So I'm going to look at this level very carefully on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, I'm watching this level very carefully. This level of demand here. This level of demand here. And price is currently at a level of supply. Sorry. Let's delete this one. Sorry, delete this one. So price is currently at this level of supply, or approaching that level of supply, and then so we might see price reject or take out that supply. If price takes out that supply, then we'll know what to do. Then we are going to be focusing on this demand area. We're going to be focusing on this one. Okay, we're going to be focusing on this demand area. But if price fails to take out the above supply, then we are going to be focusing on this particular demand level here. So what's the prediction? The prediction is that maybe price can bounce from this angle, from this demand. So we're expecting this particular price to drop to this demand and then push us to the upside. Okay, taking this high. So minimum, the nearest target of course is this high. Okay, the high of 0.67. So price should take us to this high of 0.67, minimum of 160 pips. And if this price takes out this particular level of supply, then we are expecting that demand will start from this level to this level. So these are the two buying zones that we have for AUD USD. So that is my take. So do you enjoy this lecture? If you enjoy this lecture, please click on the subscription button, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be bringing more quality videos for you guys. Subscribe, click on the notification bell, and also the WhatsApp link to join my community for free is on the description section below. So drop your comments for any question that you want me to treat, any kind of video you want to see, let me know. So thank you very much and see you in my next video.